Welcome to Car Show 1, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. From sleek designs to powerful performance, we dive into the details of the most exciting cars on the market. Whether you're a gearhead or simply love beautiful machines, we're here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. Hit that subscribe button, and let's explore together. Today, we're talking about one of the most highly anticipated vehicles of the year, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage. A car that embodies luxury, performance, and innovation all rolled into one. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this masterpiece so special. First impressions are everything, and the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage does not disappoint. The moment you set your eyes on it, you can see how it captures Aston Martin's signature elegance while also pushing the boundaries of modern design. The aggressive front grille paired with the sleek LED headlights gives it a commanding presence on the road. The aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from the hood to the rear, highlighting the car's dynamic performance potential. This is a car that doesn't just look fast, it feels fast, even when standing still. Moving to the heart of the Vantage, let's talk about the engine. The 2025 model comes equipped with a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 that delivers an impressive 528 horsepower and 505 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides seamless gear shifts and ensures an exhilarating driving experience. Aston Martin claims the Vantage can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, and with a top speed of 195 miles per hour, it's clear this car is built for those who crave speed and excitement. One of the standout features of the new Vantage is its adaptive suspension system. This technology allows the car to deliver exceptional handling and ride comfort, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tight corners on a winding road. Drivers can choose from multiple driving modes, including Sport, Sport Plus, and Track, each designed to enhance the car's performance characteristics based on your preference. It's all about giving you total control behind the wheel. Inside, the Vantage continues to impress. The cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness, offering premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and brushed metal accents. The seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, making long drives feel effortless. The cockpit layout is driver-focused, with intuitive controls and a sleek digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential information at a glance. The 10-inch infotainment system is responsive and easy to use, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-quality audio system for an immersive experience. Safety is another area where Aston Martin has stepped up its game. The 2025 Vantage is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. These features ensure that while you're enjoying the thrill of driving, you're also protected by cutting-edge technology. But the Vantage isn't just about performance and luxury, it's also about exclusivity. Each car can be customized to suit the owner's taste, from unique paint options to bespoke interior finishes. This level of personalization ensures that every Vantage is a true reflection of its owner's style and personality. For those who love the roar of an engine, the 2025 Vantage delivers an auditory experience like no other. The exhaust note has been carefully tuned to produce a deep, aggressive growl that perfectly complements the car's sporty character. It's the kind of sound that turns heads and leaves a lasting impression. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage starts at around $150,000. While this puts it firmly in the luxury sports car segment, it's a price that reflects the quality, performance, and prestige that comes with owning an Aston Martin. In conclusion, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is a car that redefines what it means to be a luxury sports car. It combines breathtaking design, thrilling performance, and cutting-edge technology to create an experience that is truly unforgettable. Whether you're a longtime fan of the brand or new to the Aston Martin family, the Vantage is a car that deserves a spot on your wish list. Thanks for tuning into Car Show 1. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving fast.